how to create a new profile settings file with PDF Image Printer 12. Whether you're using TIFF Image Printer, PDF Image Printer, or raster image printer, version 12 of Peernet's image printers use profiles, which are a group of settings used to create the output image you want. Each of our image printers comes with different system profiles to create basic file formats, like color optimized TIFF or Adobe PDF. But you can also create your own personal profiles with the settings you need. To create a new profile, begin by launching the image printer dashboard. Double-click on the image printer icon on your desktop to launch the image printer dashboard. If you have removed the image printer icon from your desktop, you will find it by selecting Start and scrolling down to your image printer. Select Edit and Create Profiles. You can either create a copy of one of our system profiles if it has similar settings to the new one you are trying to create, or select Add Profile to start from scratch. Name the profile something you will recognize and add a description if you wish. You can then go through the tabs and adjust the settings as desired. We have many tutorial videos with instructions on how to use the different settings available in the Profile Manager, including saving files without prompting, ways to reduce file size, and changing where the files are saved. When you are done making changes, click Save and Back and close the Profile Manager. If you wish to make this new profile the default profile used by the image printer, select Manage Printers. Beside your image printer, drop the box for the profile and select your new profile as the default. Save your changes. Printer Management also allows you to rename the printer and create multiple copies of the printer. Close Printer Management and the dashboard. You have now created a new profile with the settings you want applied when you print to your image printer. Try out our PDF image printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Follow the link below for a free trial.